Everybody, welcome to my new update video. Today I solve an exponential equation. Here is given that 16 to the power x is equal to 8 to the power x to the power h. We have to find out the value of x. Let's go start. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, please comment comment here. So we solve this problem step by step. Please remain first to last. Okay, here is 16 to the power x is equal to x to the power 18. We part both side 1 by x. Okay, on x to the 16 to the power x is equal to x to the power h. We part both side 1 by x. Okay, then here we know that am all to the power n is equal to mn. So we can write 16x into 1 by x is equal to x to the power 8 into 1 by x. Okay, here x and x cancelled, so here remain 16, and here is x. Again we know this, we can write a to the power n all to the power m. So we can write 1 by x all to the power h. Okay friend, then we part by both sides 1 by h. Okay, 1 by 16 to the power 1 by h and x to the power 1 by x all to the power h into 1 by h. Okay, 8 and 8 cancel, so remain 16 all to the power 1 by h is equal to x to the power 1 by x. Then we can write here, here is 4 square is equal to 16, 1 by 8 and x to the power 1 by h. Okay, here is 4 to the power 2 into 1 by h and x to the power 1 by, sorry, here will be x and x. Okay, then we can write here, here is 4 to the power 1 by 4 is equal to x to the power 1 by x. Okay, so here is base is 4 and 1 by x and 1 by power 1 by 4. So we can write x is equal to 4. Okay, this is the final value of this equation. If you have any problem, please know me by comment. Okay, thank you.